welcome back to my channel. How's everybody doing today? I'm doing great. We are 78 days away from Halloween. We're gonna go in with my OG combination. We're gonna go in with my Fit Me Concealer in Sand 20. We're also gonna go with my Infallible Stick Foundation. And we're gonna cut the cheek here. And cut the cheek here. I'm gonna go with my Booty Sponge and blend it out. We're gonna go in with my Lock-It Setting Powder by Kat Von D. I'm gonna set my face. Make sure that there's no creases. And stamp away. I'm gonna go in with my Sephora palette as usual and my contour shade, just this one, like so. So this is where we are right now. I'm gonna go in with this Brights palette. And I'm going to go in with this blue shade. I think I want sort of like a halo eye. I'm going to go in with my Sugar Trip Squat palette. And we're going to use this bluish periwinkle shade. And we're going to add it right here. Ooh. I'm going to go in with this shade. I actually broke it this time. Great. So like that, we're gonna go in and blend out the edges. I'm gonna go with a deeper shade. I think I'm gonna use Dancing Shoes from Super Beauty because I want to add depth to it. I'm gonna concentrate that at the edge here. I'm going to try to go in with this shade and add it as well on top of that blue. And we're going to blend. I'm going to go in with Dancing Shoes around here and make this more prominent, like so, and then go in with this brush and blend it out in circular motions outward. I'm going to add it to the inner corner here as well. I think it needs a little black. I think it needs to be a little darker. So I'm going to go in with Sex by Kat Von D just to deepen that bit a little more, just right here. And in the inner corner. That looks good. Now we need like a straight line. I think I'm gonna go with this gunmetal color because I was going to use Californication, but it doesn't, but it's too bright. I want to go with this gunmetal. It's called Darling. It's this one right here. So let's go and oh, see how beautiful that looks. Now we're gonna go in with whatever was left in this brush and blend the edge. I'm gonna add a tip to this tear down here. I'm going to use a glossy, I'm going to use this liquid liner and add shape to this. I'm going to go in with my dual lash glue And then I'm gonna use some tweezers to get some of these little stars. You see how little and tiny these are? So cute. Did I drop it? I dropped it. I'm gonna try to do it with my fingers instead. I'm gonna add some of that glue, like this. No, stay. I think I'm gonna place another one up here. I'm gonna use the Sharpie looking liner and I'm gonna redraw that. With my trusty silicone brush, I'm gonna use that same blue shade, this one. And you guessed it, it's gonna go in the waterline. Like so. I'm gonna add some Kush mascara. Some Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Let me go to the other eye, get to the same point over here. I think that's as much as I'm gonna do on there. For highlight, because everything is so glittery, I added this white shade from this Kat Von D palette. It's white. And then it's just pure white. I don't know what I want to do with my lips yet though. Tracing my lips just a little bit. I'm going to use a combination of this color. I'm going to go with this liquid. It's a metallic lipstick by Wet n Wild. It's called Shady Witch. So, this is the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed this look and this tutorial today. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you're new here and you'd like to see more videos from me, please subscribe down below. Make sure you ring the little bell. Don't forget to follow me over on Instagram and Twitter, all at Ladylilith1. And, as always, see you guys in the next one. Bye.